Have you ever noticed those green boxes in the streets? The ones with the bicycle and arrow? Well, those boxes are used by people on bikes to make left turns in 2 steps. The green box provides a space for cyclists to reposition themselves and to be visible to other road users. It allows the rider to stay in their right lane the entire time. When the light turns green, the cyclist continues in the right lane. When it comes to making left turns, cyclists have a few options. First is a vehicular left turn. The cyclist signals, merges into the left turn lane, and turns when clear. The person on a bike does the same thing as a person in a car. The second option cyclists have is a box turn. The rider stays in the rightmost lane, or the bike lane, and signals as they approach the green cue box. They reposition themselves 90 degrees within the cue box and wait. When the light turns green, the person on the bike proceeds in the rightmost lane. The last option is to transform into a pedestrian. The cyclist safely transitions to the sidewalk to hop off their bike. Even as a pedestrian, be aware and cautious of vehicles. Using the sidewalk may be preferable during times of high traffic. Transforming into a pedestrian also allows the person a chance to get a drink or check their phone. When the person is ready to hop on their bike and enter the road, they'll scan their roadway for oncoming traffic and check for turning vehicles. When it's clear, they'll enter the roadway. Box turns are also safe options for people riding in groups. Cyclists should leave safe space between each other, and large groups should line up behind each other, rather than in the left lane. Green cue boxes are often located near railroad tracks and protected bike lanes. A 2-step box turn is still an option even if the green cue box is not present. The person stays in the rightmost lane and signals they're stopping. They reposition themselves 90 degrees, making sure not to block the crosswalk. When the light turns green, they continue in their rightmost lane.